You saw the thumbnail, you saw the titles, you know what we're about to do. Y'all, this has not been Fani Willis's week, and today is only Tuesday. It has not been a good yesterday was not a good day for Fani Willis. I got 3 clips to show you. This is pretty bad. Let's bring it in, let's talk about it. What are we talking about, Jason? Well, let's talk about the first thing. On yesterday, on Tuesday, she was dealt the first of many blows that she was not divulging information according to the Open Records Act. Let me bring this in and let me explain. Let's go.
Earlier this evening, DA Willis suffered a defeat in a civil case over open records. A Fulton County Superior Court judge ruled that Willis violated the Georgia Open Records Act after she did not provide records relating to special counsel Jack Smith and communications with the U.S. House January 6th committee. The plaintiff, Judicial Watch, sued the DA after not getting those records. In the judgment, the judge ordered that the records be provided within 5 days. A hearing will take place later this month on Judicial Watch's motion for legal fees.
All right. So she's not doing right by the Open Records Act of Fulton County. So she got sued. She lost. Not only does she have to give the records up, but she's probably going to end up having to pay the fees for the people that had to actually sue her. That's L number one. Let's go to the next one. L number two. What's L number two, Jason? This one's pretty wild. Let's go.
The judge will now decide whether a state Senate committee can order Fulton County DA Fani Willis to testify.
The committee is investigating allegations of wrongdoing by Willis in the Georgia election interference case. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is live at the Fulton County Courthouse with more on today's hearing. Deidre?
And that hearing got underway here at the Fulton County Courthouse this afternoon. And in court, Willis's attorneys said that they did not believe that the state Senate had the legal authority to order Willis to testify. Attorneys for the state saying that the committee certainly did have that authority and that they want Willis to testify before the start of the next legislative session.
We are here on Willis versus Cowser.
Attorneys for the Special State Senate Committee investigating Fulton County DA Fani Willis are asking the judge to order Willis to appear before the committee after she ignored a subpoena and refused to turn over documents the committee requested in the Georgia election interference case. The committee is investigating allegations of wrongdoing on the part of Willis, including claims she and former special prosecutor Nathan Wade had an inappropriate relationship. Both have denied the allegations, and Wade has since resigned from the case.
It is necessary to determine whether the alleged conduct of District Attorney Willis, if proven to be true in whole or in part, should be addressed by the enactment of new or amended laws, prompt some change in state appropriations, or both. That's why she's been invited to testify.
We would be blind not to see what all of us see.
Willis's attorneys argued that the state Senate does not have subpoena powers and that their actions are politically motivated, that lawmakers want to embarrass Willis.
This was nothing but singling out one person who's been duly elected in this circuit and duly re-elected in this circuit to embarrass. It's not for any legitimate legislative purpose.
But attorneys for the state said the state constitution clearly gives the Georgia Assembly subpoena powers.
The state Senate is entitled to investigate whether there is a need to reform practices, and it specifically identifies it.
Now, the judge did not announce a decision today, and she did not indicate when she will issue a ruling. At the Fulton County Courthouse, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
We'll see what happens, Deidre. Thanks.
That's L number two. This one right here, I think this one's going to have larger ramifications because it deals with the Trump interference case, because she's the only one that's still trying to dig in her heels in that lawfare case. She's the only one still holding on. Everybody else has just let go of it, but she's still holding on. We'll see what happens with that, but I don't think it's going to go too far. So she caught one L. Now she caught another L. Let's go ahead and spell Lululemon, because this one right here is the L that rocked the bells, ladies and gentlemen.
President All right, thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I understand that you all have reached a verdict. Mr. Foreperson, is that correct? All right, and was it unanimous? Yes. All right, and this verdict has been filled in and signed and dated by you, correct? Or for each defendant. All right, and I noticed that Mr. Kendrick's verdict form is dated December 2nd. Is that because that's when you all reached the verdict with regard to him? Okay. And then Mr. Stillwell's is dated today. Okay. All right, Mr. Kendrick, you have been found not guilty on all charges. Mr. Stillwell, can you please stand? You have been found guilty on count 64, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and not guilty on every other charge.
Shout out to him. Shout out to him.
So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you are officially released from further service, and I cannot express the degree of thanks that Fulton County owes you for your service. Given the length of this trial, you have paid close attention this entire time, and I appreciate your devotion, as I'm sure do the parties in this case. You are welcome to stay for the sentencing, or you can return to the jury room. I would like to speak with you in just a moment in the jury room. If you all do want to stay, you're welcome to stay. Is there any objection to the form or the legality of this verdict? Any from the defense? All right. All right. Is there any reason that we can't go ahead and sentence?
That's strike number 3. Yesterday was a horrible day for Fani Willis. That's all I'm going to say again. It was a horrible day. She got slapped down with the Freedom of Information Act. She gets slapped down with the fact that she's probably going to have to come and answer for that subpoena. But even if she doesn't, the fact that she got drugged this far into it, she might as well just go ahead. And then lastly, she lost this 2-year trial. 2 years with nothing to show for it. Georgia taxpayers paid all of that money, nothing to show for it. This is craziness. But y'all, I know the YSL trial is over. I got a playlist of fun videos I made looking at the trial is down below. Check it out. And until next time, everybody, grace and peace. We're out.
Hit that like for Deal Christian. Yo, for Deal Christian, smash that bell for DWC. Yo, smash it, just smash it. Hit that like for Deal Christian. For Deal Christian, smash that bell for DWC. Yo, smash it, just smash it. Hit that like for Deal Christian.